Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirvan and let's go through the day of crypto world with English News Bulletin. CryptoWire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel Crypto TV, has launched India's first index of cryptocurrencies IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. So here are the headlines. Alphabet CEO says company definitely eyeing blockchain. SEC advises Bitwise to address concerns about proposed spot Bitcoin ETF. Consensus acquires Ethereum wallet MyCrypto. VC funding for blockchain firm jumps to $25 billion in 2021. NYDIG launches facility for workers to get paid in Bitcoin. MicroStrategy buys another 660 BTC for $25 million. Reddit co-founders firm raises $500 million for crypto investments. NFT platform TOKAU announces launch of MetaTokyo in MetaCity. Russians hold over $200 billion in crypto, says Kremlin. Alphabet, the parent company of Google and YouTube, is looking at how to build blockchain technologies into it, its executives said on an earnings call. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet, while responding to an analyst's question on how the company views Web3, said Alphabet was interested in augmented reality for one, as well as looking at how blockchain technology can be used to power computing and service layers for the likes of YouTube and Google Maps. The company is definitely looking at blockchain, Pichai said, calling it an interesting and powerful technology with broad applications. Alphabet's cloud business, the business that competes with Amazon Web Services and Microsoft, is looking at how to support customer needs via blockchain-based platforms, according to Pichai. The SEC has sought clarification from Bitwise Asset Management as to how the investment firm will prevent share manipulation, fraud, and other potential issues in its proposed spot Bitcoin ETF. The agency also highlighted its concern about the Bitwise Bitcoin ETP trust liquidity and transparency and asked additional information on the suitability of Bitcoin as the underlying asset of the fund. The query from SEC is a departure from its series of denials to date of another proposed spot Bitcoin ETPs. Last December, the SEC delayed a decision on the spot Bitcoin application of Bitwise and Grayscale, a unit of Digital Currency Group. Over the past 2 months, the agency has rejected applications from WisdomTree, Krypton, Skybridge, and Fidelity. It is weighing a number of other applications from investment firms. Consensus, a blockchain technology company, said it bought Ethereum wallet MyCrypto for an undisclosed amount and may merge it with its MetaMask wallet. MetaMask currently has 21 million monthly active users, but the acquisition would bring the wallet to more platforms and deepen its integrations. MetaMask is currently offered only through mobile apps and web browser extensions, while MyCrypto offers its Ethereum account management solutions through browsers and desktop applications. Led by Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin, Brooklyn, New York-based Consensus is a titan in the Ethereum ecosystem. Venture capital funding for blockchain startups crossed $25 billion in 2021, up 713% from $3.1 billion in 2020, according to CB Insights. In its latest report, 2021 State of Blockchain, CB Insights said funding rose to over $9 billion in the fourth quarter of 2021, up from over $7 billion in the prior quarter. Funding of blockchain startups accounted for 4% of global venture dollars, up from 1% in 2020. The market intelligence firm sees global funding for startups to further rise in 2022 given the growth in crypto, non-fungible tokens, and Web3 startups. Venture funding for NFT firm jumps to $4.8 billion in 2021, up from just $37 million in 2020. Meanwhile, global DeFi deals reached to 240, almost doubling from 124 in 2020. Institutional Bitcoin broker NYDIG has offered a plan allowing workers to convert a percentage of each paycheck into Bitcoin. Employees enrolling in the Bitcoin saving plan can choose what percentage of their pay would like to auto-convert to Bitcoin. The Bitcoins will then be held in NYDIG's storage system with no transaction or storage fees. NYDIG's Bitcoin saving plan requires employer participation. NYDIG's plan is in its contrast to similar plans launched by crypto exchanges Strike and Coinbase platforms last year. However, those did not have provisions for employer participation. Among the other companies offering such similar services to their employees include Tillman Fertitas, Houston Rockets, and Landry's Restaurants, MVV Bank, Bitcoin Miner, Iris Energy, crypto data company DeTi. Michael Saylor, the CEO of business intelligence firm and major Bitcoin investor MicroStrategy, has announced the purchase of an additional 660 Bitcoins worth $25 million in cash today by his firm at an average price of $37,865 per Bitcoin. With this purchase, MicroStrategy now holds over 0.5% of total Bitcoin in circulation worth $4.6 billion. MicroStrategy is now nearly $1 billion in profit over their $3.78 billion purchase of Bitcoin so far. The value of the 125,051 Bitcoin owned by the firm at current Bitcoin price of around $38,000 is nearly $4.6 billion. MicroStrategy has bought almost every dip on Bitcoin, and their current average buy price stands at $30,200 per BTC. Meanwhile, Bitcoin price has recovered from the recent market meltdown and currently stands at $38,881. Alexis Ohanian, the co-founder of American social news aggregator Reddit, has announced his venture capital firm 776 Management has raised over $500 million across two funds. The American internet entrepreneur expects to put most of his new money to work investing in crypto startups. Crypto startups currently account for about 40% of 776 Management's portfolio, including Metaverse game Axie Infinity, crypto tax manager Coin Tracker, the Bitcoin reward app Lolly, but the crypto will be the majority of the portfolio by the end of this year, said Ohanian. Ohanian firm recently partnered with Solana Labs blockchain venture arm for $100 million investment towards decentralized social projects. Additionally, it has backed Dispo, a camera-based social media app, and Natalie Portman's Angel City Football Club. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates, keep watching Crypto TV. I'm your news host Parvati Nirvan, signing off for now. See you tomorrow, same time. Have a wonderful day forward.